Now this is a program, so we have to write the whole program in file, and we are going to save it and execute it. So first I'm going to assign the values, but before that let me specify the comment. So this is a program to display addition of two numbers. Okay, so a equal to 5, b equal to 9, c equal to a plus b, and then I want to print the result. Now result I want to print properly, so I'm going to mention sum of into double quotes, then a, save the program, and execute. So now it is showing sum of 5 and 9 is 14, right? But this program will always display the same message. I mean, until and unless I change the value of AB, it will show you that sum of 5 and 9 is 14. Now I'm changing the value 55 and 89. So it will add 55 and 89 and will change the value of C, as well as it will display the changed value of A and B. So now my message is sum of 55 and 89 is 144, which is meaningful. Okay, so even though this is hard coded, it is showing the correct output. Fine. So why we are doing this? To learn how to write a proper message, okay, which is a combination of static text and variable. Okay.